someone who really loves you. Number 1. Someone who really cares for you will notice when something is wrong. This means they pay attention to your feelings. Even if you don't say anything, they can tell when you're sad or not okay. Number 2. They ask how you are because they truly want to know. They don't just ask out of politeness. They really want to hear how you feel and if you're doing well. Number 3. When you're sad, they try to make you feel better. They do small things to cheer you up, like talking to you, listening, or staying by your side when you need comfort. Number 4. They help you even when it's not easy for them. Caring people make time and effort for you, even if they are busy or tired, because you are important to them. Number 5. You feel safe and loved when they are around. Their presence makes you feel calm, happy, and cared for, like you can trust and rely on them.